Hi everyone. So it's your girl, hey, planner girl, hey, and today, this morning I woke up and I thought about it. So I really want to get a really tiny notebook in my purse, and you have seen, I'll put up a picture. I'll probably cut the video about like now. There is this 4 ring mini note paper book, and it hasn't come to Toronto, or at least it did, or maybe I didn't pick it up, but anyways, so I'm gonna make my own. So sit back, relax, and check it out. And before you do, maybe you can subscribe and like my video. Totally appreciate it. So let's have some fun, and I'm probably gonna cut the video, put on some pretty chill music, and speed it up a little bit. And also, before we start, I'm just gonna tell you what I'm using. Punch, paper cutter, I have a ruler, just to be cool, some mini rings that are yellow gold. I've had these for years. I don't even know if they still make them. And I have some Happie Scrappie paper that I bought for a personal wide, which I don't even use a personal wide anymore. So either this is going to be my front cover, or this is my front cover, and then here's like the back. So let's see how it turns out. Hey everyone, so as you can see, I have made my little notes, my little notebook, and I was like, maybe this should be my cover, but that's okay, it's a little busy. I'm gonna write on here like notes and maybe my name, and so this I can just kind of chuck in my purse, and you open it up, cute little hug in the mug. I mean, I really like it. It's just for me. It's just kind of nice when, I go to the mall and I can just kind of pull this out instead of my massive planner. And yeah, I really like it. And so all of this, probably just going to recycle. And I think I know I'm going to use it. I definitely do know I'm going to use it. My only thing is, like, if Happy Planner notes come to Toronto, I'll probably buy one of the little notebooks. But in the meantime, I think this is really cute, and it serves its purpose. And I didn't want to cut out more paper, as you saw. Like, I had a whole bunch in my hand, and then I said, no, let me just kind of wait. So these pieces of paper I'm just going to hold on to, and if I do need more note pages, I will cut some more, but I mean, for the meantime, I think it does its purpose very well. And again, I was not using these rings. They were just sitting here looking pretty. And speaking of rings, I'm super obsessed. I have found planner piece with the Happy Planner. It's funny, it's like I started with the Happy Planner, and then I shifted. I went to like Ban.Do. I went to a what do you call it? Oh gee, a TN. Actually, I have it right here. I went to a TN, and actually, it's kind of funny because then I had a TN, which this is like, I guess, the thing right now, which is this Hobonichi life going on. So I mean, I already dabbled in this, and then I had a personal wide, which is just sitting here, and it's beautiful, but really, like, I can't do the ring life because of, like, very limited things can fit. So there's that. So I've come back to the Happy Planner and I found Planner Piece. So the point of the story is I went out and I bought a whole bunch of rings. So I'm just going to show off for a little bit. Thank you very much. So like right now I have these silver expander discs, really cute. And sorry, I'm just fixing my light. I hope you can see that. It's a little dark in here. And so I have the silver ones, and then I bought these pink ones, which I love. So it's either gonna be, this is my spooky, I think my Christmas, and then I have some extra, these are classic rose gold rings, so I'll do something with that. And then I have some leftover rose gold and I think 1 or 2 yellow gold ones. And then for my Disney planner for our vacation, I got these rainbow ones. And I ordered some teal in the meadow. And then again, I had these from a while ago. So I'm just really happy. I'm going back to the Happy Planner and I am thrilled about it because honestly, the system works. The system totally works. Anywho, thanks everyone for watching. I hope you enjoyed my little DIY. Please make sure you like, subscribe. Let me know if you've made your own notebook or did you do something else with it. Oh, and the measurements, if I didn't say it in the captions, which I'm sure I did, the width is 4 inches, the height is 5 inches, and the punches, I just kind of use the letters starting at the T, the end of the T. I hope you can see that. It's a little, there we go, the end of the T. Right here, sorry. And I just kind of punched it. So I used about 5 slots. So yeah, thanks everyone for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you like and subscribe. Bye!